What's going on, guys? I'm jumping right into this vlog today. We got some breakfast this morning, positive vibes this morning. We are in Adelia, Colorado right now. This is the best looking sky that I've seen all season. I'm very, very, very confident in today that we are going to get a tornado. SPC upgraded to a 10%, wrote her a tornado watch. Strong easterly flow. Today looks absolutely ripe for tornadoes, and I think we're going to get it today, especially for the last day of tours. This is as good as it gets for a sky on tours, or on a chase day, I mean. So, let's see what we got for the 18th.
Getting excited. I think that might be an omen.
There's literally two areas.
That one and that one, eh?
Yeah.
How big?
Two landspouts, same time. Holy crap! Oh yeah, look at the carousel. That's about to be a big tornado.
Now that's rotation, baby!
Yeah, multi-vortex.
Yep, multi-vortex tornado. Large multi-vortex tornado. There it is,
yep,
on the ground.
Tornado!
There it is! Oh, look at the helical vortex. Oh, look at the helical vortices in there. Oh my goodness gracious.
condense! Fully condensed rope! Fully condensed rope! 100 tornadoes! Woo! 200 tornadoes! 100 tornadoes! Double-digit tornadoes! First tornadoes! 9 tornadoes! What a freaking day! Thank you so much, Colorado. There's a reason I love you. Thank you for giving me my 100th tornado. And we are gonna celebrate with some freaking food.
Yeah, oh yeah.
What a freaking way to end the day.
Hey, man.
What a way.
Vortex waves in the
It's freaking amazing. Gonna get some food. Hopefully see some more tornadoes tomorrow. We're all on cloud 9, I think, right now.
Oh yeah.
This is freaking amazing. Look at that. Just amazing. Woohoo! Freaking gorgeous.
So one of our tour guests is like having extreme astral movements. To put it politely.
We are dying.
We had to pull over and air out the freaking van. You didn't hear it. Freaking van. Freaking van.
Her.
Because of this woman right here. I don't know how much gas is stored in that small of a body, but it is.
It's coming from her feet.
And we are now at this gas station. This is literally a house or not? I'm waiting on the murderer literally right over there. It has the creepy street light. There's literally nothing around. It's like there's gotta be at least 3 demons watching us.
And who's gonna go first?
I already added some moisture.
Well, we know no one's there because that's always the first person to die that has to take a piss. Oh man, what a day. What a day.